How much vitamin D do I need if I work nights?
Night shift workers commonly have low vitamin D because night hours cut daytime sun exposure. The lab test to check is serum 25-hydroxyvitamin D, reported in nanograms per milliliter or nanomoles per liter. Nanograms per ml times 2.5 equals nanomole per L. Targets vary. Many authorities say 20 nanograms per ml, while some recommend 20-30 nanograms per ml for higher-risk people. For those with little sun, a practical maintenance dose is 1,000 to 2,000 international units daily. Deficiency may need supervised loading, like 50,000 international units weekly, for 6 to 8 weeks, and the usual upper limit is 4,000 international units daily. Get a baseline test, individualized dosing, and recheck after 8 to 12 weeks.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!